Hello everyone, this video is going to go over discussion board prompt number 1, class system for Mama and Atticus. So in the two novels, you have met Atticus from To Kill a Mockingbird and Mama from I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. And the prompt is going to ask you, well, what class is Atticus from and what social class is Mama from? So in here, this first video will give you 5 social classes that you can use, and then here's another one that you can follow. So the prompt is, based on what you've read so far, what social class would Atticus and Mama be a part of? So the first video again will give you the 5 classes that you can use, and then you're going to decide, you're going to ask yourself, well, how do I know from the context of each novel what social class they are? Maybe you're going to look at the educational background, or maybe their what's their jobs, what do they do? So based on the evidence or the context of the novel, you're going to decide what class Atticus is and what Mama is. And for this, you're going to have to use an in-text citation from each of the novels. So give the support, the context clues that helped you understand, well, Atticus is a lawyer, therefore blah, 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 and quote from the novel, each novel. And then you have to give a citation from one of these videos, not both. You can quote from both if you want, but use one in-text citation. I'm so sorry, I can't speak. All right. And then only concentrate on one factor. Don't go into it. This is just a discussion board. Don't go into a long, drawn-out thing. Okay, and then, so you need 3 in-text citations altogether. 1 from each of the novels and 1 from one of the 2 videos. You can have more if you want. Possible format, start with some background information or just start with the topic sentence. You might want to say, from the 2 novels, it is clear that Atticus is of blank class while Mama is from this class, blank class. That could be an easy topic sentence. Then go in and give your information, your context clues for Atticus. Mama, don't forget your in-text citations. Make sure you use the video. Then have a closing, and then you want to have your works cited. Okay, obviously the initial post is going to be due on Wednesday, and you have 2 discussion boards this week, but don't worry because this is just saying what class they are. The next discussion board 2, you're going to use the same information, but we're going to write a opposing and refuting paragraph. So you're going to use the same information, we're just going to structure it differently. Okay, good luck. If you have any questions, let me know.